Good day. I'm Marcel N. Cordova, a forestry professional with hands-on field experience, leadership training, and a deep commitment to environmental conservation. I'm applying to the Department of Environment and Natural Resources because I believe my background in sustainable resource management and my resilience in demanding field conditions align with DNR's mission: protect and nurture our natural heritage. My practical foundation started at Nanay Nena's farm, where I trained in agricultural and forest management practices, skills that directly relevant to the North's community-based forestry and land management programs. I then strengthened my government service experience with a summer role at the Department of Agriculture under the Philippine Rural Development Project, or PRDP. There, I contributed to rural development initiatives and saw firsthand how forestry intersects with community livelihoods, sustainable agriculture, and environmental policy implementation. Technical skills, I developed leadership capabilities as business manager of Forestry Students Guild, our college organization dedicated to advancing forestry education and environmental advocacy. In this role, I manage organizational finances, coordinated events, and collaborated with faculty and peers to drive our initiatives forward. This taught me accountability, strategic planning, and how to lead effectively under pressure, qualities that I bring to the in-house multidisciplinary teams. I'm a sporty, field-ready professional who thrives in physically demanding environments. My body is conditioned for exhaustion and can handle pressure with resilience and focus. I'm eager to bring my energy, discipline, and forestry background to DNR to serve our environment, support our communities, and grow as a public servant. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to contributing to DNR's vital mission.